What is going on, everybody? Hey, it is time for an update on the Hide to Cut reset, and I got some news. Hang tight. All right, guys. So the Hide to Cut reset went pretty well. I'll throw some pictures here. These are 3 days post Hide to Cut up here, so check it out. Let me show you what the front yard looks like, and then I'll go over a little bit of things with you. All right, guys, so as you can see, got some areas up in here and all throughout here. Never seen that before in this lawn like this. Not once. So I checked for armyworms. I don't have any armyworms. I didn't really check for grubs. I did and I didn't. I kind of dug up a few spots just to see. I didn't see any grubs. So what I'm thinking, it looks like disease, just how kind of patchy and almost like leopardy kind of look to it. I'm not sure what kind of disease, but I did grab some grub control and some fungus control. I'm gonna mow today, show you guys the Hide to Cut reset, what it looks like right now. As you can see, my front yard is no bueno right now, but that will be fixed. The backyard is looking real good, but I'll show you that here in a minute. I'm about to hit this front yard with the mow, and we'll go from there. All right, hold on. Alright, guys, this is it. This is the best the front yard is gonna look right now. Get over it. I have to fix all of this. And it flip-flopped. It really did flip-flop from last year, because closer to the house last year was fantastic. Thick, green, all you could ask for. And now this year, I'm dealing with a whole bunch of disease and possibly grubs, but what are you gonna do, guys? It's just a lawn. It's grass. It'll grow back. It's fine. Not a big deal. I'm not worried about it. I have my fungus control and my grub control, and like I said, I tested for armyworms with some dish soap, Dawn, and some water, and poured it on there. I didn't see anything come out. I don't know if that's even real, but I didn't see any. I didn't have any. I'm about to start in the backyard right now, guys, so hang on. 9 days after my Hide to Cut reset, and I'm really happy with the backyard. There are a few spots back here where I'm gonna hit grub control and fungus control back here just to be safe, because I do feel that there might be some fungus back here, maybe some dollar spot, but we're gonna prevent it, or we're gonna cure it in the backyard as well. But the backyard right now, I love. It's looking great. Here's a side piece, also looking really good. Very happy with how it's done. Not worried about that, because that is more of the dip where it just bottomed out on me right there, so I'm not worried about that. But even the side piece looks better than the front yard. All right, guys, front yard, there it is, and there is the crap. Ugh. It is very frustrating, but that's okay. It will be fixed. Again, gonna be throwing out some fungus and some grub control, so we'll see how it looks. Today is August 5th. My Hide to Cut reset was July 27th, so this is 9 days post. So that is all she wrote. I am finished.